What's the meaning of Baywatch? Baywatch. Baywatch.
Baywatch. Baywatch. Baywatch is a term that refers to a hugely popular television series that aired in the U.S. from 1989 to 2001. The show followed the lives of the lifeguards who patrolled the beaches of Los Angeles, California. The term Baywatch has since become synonymous with the idea of a lifeguard or beach patrol, as well as the iconic red swimsuits worn by the characters on the show. Additionally, the phrase Baywatch Babe has been used to describe attractive women in lifeguard or beach patrol roles. While the show has been off the air for over a decade, it remains a cultural touchstone and continues to influence pop culture to this day.